rotating tires on a rear-wheel drive vehicle and you have a square setup with non-directional tires, your front tires go straight back, so this front one will go onto the rear right there, and then your rear tires switch sides and come to the front. So that rear tire will come onto this front side, and that rear tire will come onto this front side. If you're rotating tires on a front-wheel drive vehicle, it's the exact opposite, assuming that you have a square tire setup and non-directional tires. Your front tires will go straight back, and your rear tires will switch sides and come up to the front. If you have directional tires and square wheels, meaning all the rims are the same size, then the only thing you can do is take your front tire and put it on the rear, and your rear tire and put it on the front. If you have directional tires and a non-square wheel setup, you're locked into where your wheels are.
There's a learning curve.